Are you tired of ordering mediocre pizzas or spending a fortune at fancy pizzerias? Look no further. Introducing the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto Portable Pizza Oven, your gateway to homemade, wood-fired perfection. In this video, we'll take you through the incredible features and benefits of this innovative pizza oven. Get ready to unleash your inner pizza chef and wow your friends and family with delicious, restaurant-quality pizzas. The Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto Portable Pizza Oven is the ultimate solution for pizza lovers on the go. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a day in the backyard, this portable oven lets you create authentic, brick oven-style pizzas wherever you are. Crafted with premium materials, the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto is built to last. Its sleek, stainless steel exterior not only looks great but also ensures durability and heat retention. The oven's double-layered ceiling and insulated walls guarantee even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked pizzas every time. Setting up the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto is a breeze. Simply attach the included gas regulator and connect it to a standard propane tank. With its electronic ignition, you'll have the oven up and running in minutes. No more waiting for hours for your oven to preheat. The Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto reaches temperatures of up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit 370 degrees Celsius in just 10 minutes. Thanks to its built-in cordierite pizza stone, your pizzas will cook evenly and develop that coveted crispy crust. You'll be amazed at how quickly the oven transforms your dough and toppings into a mouth-watering masterpiece. Cleaning up is a breeze with the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto. The reflective heat shield and moisture vent help prevent residue buildup, and the pizza stone can be easily removed for thorough cleaning. Experience the joy of making restaurant-quality pizzas anywhere with the Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto Portable Pizza Oven. Don't settle for mediocre. Be the pizza chef you've always wanted to be. Order your Pizzacraft Pizzeria Pronto today and take your pizza making to new heights. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.